I own some strange gear, but nothing is stranger than this piece of art here. I'm sure most of you have no clue what this is, and this is why I am here to tell you. This is the weirdest synth I own, and it's called the Liquid Drone by Screwed Circuits. It's a light-sensitive 3-oscillator drone synthesizer and tone generator. It uses a tunable square wave with 2 tunable light-sensitive wave shaping oscillators, which has 8 sensors on each side, making a total of 16 sensors. And I think it's time to add some effects to the synth. Not only is the architecture of the synth weird, but the enclosure itself is unique and handmade with this trippy acrylic paint design, making each synth different and a literal piece of art. This synth sounds like a robot dying. Using the ring light, I was able to control the synth a bit more. I know control is an odd term, I don't think there's any way to tame this beast, but besides the 3 knobs and the cutoff switch, there's no real way to control it. There is a ton of potential to sample this synth for sound design purposes. I'm thinking for maybe a sci-fi film or maybe like a weird video game or something like that. This video is not sponsored, and Screwed Circuits did not send me this unit for a review. I actually bought it a really long time ago. I wanted to make this video to show you some strange things I have in my studio and give it new light. If you want to see more weird stuff I own, I'd be happy to make a video on it. Just let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you were wondering right now about this synth, you can get a slightly different version that's red for about 250 Canadian dollars. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.